what we eat. And I love to cook because I want to eat the food the way I want to eat. And of course, healthy food. So today, I want to share one of my very popular recipes, cabbage salad recipe, with you. And I also make my own dressing, very simple, but so tasty and very, very easy to make. Okay, let's start. So you need carrots. Because I use organic carrots, I don't necessarily peel the skin. And green onion from my vegetable garden. And today I'm gonna use Italian parsley from the garden too. So if you don't wanna use any parsley, or you can use cilantro, or if you don't wanna use green onion, that's fine. Or if you don't wanna use even carrots, that's fine. What we need is cabbage, okay? If you wanna make it a little fancy looking, you can add green cabbage and red cabbage so that they look beautiful together, okay? And a tool, you need box grater. So if you don't have this, it's okay. But I use this always because it's so easy, so much faster than other tools and easy to clean too. And another one is mandarin slicer. Very sharp, so I have to be very careful. But I use this to slice the cabbage. Okay, let's get started. Okay, green onions from the garden. And if you don't like the taste of green onion, you don't need to use it. The cabbage salad, is okay. Just use cabbage, but I like to add some colors and flavors, and that's why I like to use different kind of ingredients. Okay, so green onion, ready. And I put the green onions at the bottom of the strainer. Okay, and I'll tell you the reason why right here. Right, so box grater. And if you don't have it, you can use a knife, but it takes longer. So this is what I do. Very easy. Okay, all right, good. Put together this green onion. Ooh, I forgot. So this one, Italian parsley. So if you have a cilantro, go ahead and use it. And if you don't want to use any of the herbs, you don't need to. Like I said, I like to add different colors in my salad because it looks good. So that's why. Just roughly chop. Doesn't need to be fancy or anything. Ta-da! Okay, there you go. Now, the cabbage. So the cabbage, I use mandarin slicer. So much faster. But once and again, if you don't have it, you just use a knife. But it's so easy if you have this. It doesn't take long. You just have to be careful though. Very sharp knife. Okay, put it here. Okay, put it here. And slice. Look at this, beautiful, beautiful. Okay, so I'm gonna add the green cabbage too. Just for the color, a flavor too. Okay, this is it. And just rinse it off and then put in the salad bowl. Okay, spin it and take excess water. And da-da, da-da-da. Ready? Pretty, yay. So the reason I put the green onion, carrot, and Italian parsley on the bottom of this strainer is because I wanted to show the color. Hey, what do you think? It doesn't take long. Tastes good. Ta-da! It's my very famous cabbage salad. What do you think? It looks pretty good, right? It didn't take long. My friends love this one too. And you can eat a lot of veggies this way. So the dressing, I make my own dressing too. I use rice vinegar and honey and roasted sesame oil. And if you don't have a time to add honey to rice vinegar, you can use seasoned rice vinegar. Just make sure that you choose the rice vinegar doesn't contain any bad stuff, because some of the seasoned rice vinegar has ingredients you don't necessarily want to eat. Okay? What do you think? It's not difficult, right? An amazing thing is that you can eat a lot of vegetables. It doesn't take long to make, and people is gonna start asking you your recipe, your ingredients. So be ready for that.